aspect of the Igbo culture is the firing of cannons, like you can see lined up here. Usually, cannons are fired after the burial of somebody in the Igbo society. It can also be observed if someone so decides for a particular reason, but usually it must be for a ceremony. The reason for the firing of cannons is for information dissemination. In the case of a burial, once the cannons have been fired, automatically people get to know that the corpse has been buried. And where the people, the villagers are seated, they will start singing a song to mark the end of that person.
Iwe, Oledibo, Iwe, Oledibo, Iwe, Agalamo Oledibo, Iwe, Iwe, Nasanampa, Iwe,